Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are doing another clown video today. I haven't done one in a while, so I figured it was about time, and I wanted to do one anyway, and I also really wanted to do another cool rainbow one, so that's what we're doing. I am going to use whatever makeup I have for this because I don't quite have the colors from like every palette, I guess. Anyway, yeah, I'm doing a rainbow clown look today with my new rainbow hair. Yes, hi, if you haven't seen the hair dyeing video, go check it out. But yeah, I have some of my Mehron paints. I have some other random cream paints, like Ben Nye and stuff. And then I also would like to make it UV. So I do have these UV paints, and I think what I'm gonna do is do the other paint first and then try to go in with that on top. It might not work, it might be a fail, but we'll see. We'll try to make it work. But anyway, yeah, so here is the design for today's look. Yeah, super rainbow, so that's exciting. But anyway, yeah, I need to put on contacts, and I'm gonna change into the shirt that I'm gonna be wearing. It's gonna be my rainbow crochet top, of course, I had to, and then I will get started on the makeup. Okay, so this is basically the look. This is without any of the UV paint, so I guess I'm just gonna show you what it looks like with like the black light on without any UV paint, and then I will attempt to add some black light paint on to this rainbow right here. I'm not gonna do all this because that's gonna be like way too much. But yeah, so let's experiment a little bit. Okay, so this is the final look. I added a little bit of the UV paint onto here, but it doesn't really do much. Really, it's just like the yellow and the green kind of pop a little bit, but otherwise the other ones don't really show up. This was like really cheap UV paint that I got, so I really need to invest in like actual good paint and just, I don't know, use this up or get rid of it or something. But yeah, so this isn't gonna be a UV look, it's just gonna be a rainbow look, but that's still pretty great. So anyway, yeah, here's my rainbow clown. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I ended up using like a mishmash of all my different body paints. So like I said, my Mehron palette, this random one, I used the yellow and the orange for this because I didn't have any other ones. And then I attempted to use these UV ones, but yeah. And then for my eyebrows, I just used my regular like rainbow makeup palette, just whatever else I had in my makeup kit. Really, this was quite a challenge. This heart right here, the heart nose, was, oh boy, I kept making it bigger and bigger, and I'm like, all right, this is fine. It ended up being okay, I like it, but I was worried for a second that I was, you know, overdoing it. But yeah, this is fun. I really enjoyed this. Kind of wish I made these a little bit darker, but that's okay. I also didn't have this as low, I think, as I have it in like my sketch, but that's fine. Of course, it's going to be a little bit different in real life. I really like this kind of mishmash of like dark aesthetic and like rainbow crazy colorful aesthetic. It's kind of what I went with here, a little bit of both. We got the spooky clown, the classic creepy clown, and then the rainbow barf of the, you know, happy clown. But yeah, this is it. Hope you enjoy. If you did, please leave me a like, and if you've seen my other looks, comment below, let me know which one was your favorite. If this is your new favorite, let me know. I also really just wanted to do a rainbow clown look because I've done like all of the colors in the rainbow individually before, so you know, I had to do one with all of the colors. Now that I've done all the colors and like the different themes and stuff, I guess my next clown looks are just gonna be whatever random theme I choose for it. We'll see, I guess. But yeah, this was a fun one. Yeah, and if you're unsubscribed yet, I have other clown makeup looks and just other makeup looks and fashion and art. I like paint and crochet and stuff. I don't do too much of the crocheting and painting on my channel, and I really need to do more painting in general, but anyway, yeah. I'm an artist, I do all kinds of wacky things, so if you are interested in any of that, you should subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!